Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Navigating the complexities of retirement planning can be daunting. Fortunately, there are tools available to help you prepare for this significant life transition. One such resource is the Retirement Planner located at the provided link https://www.nrsforu.com/iap/rsc/retirement planner/launch retirement planner.action publication =NRSFORU. This online tool can provide valuable assistance in developing a personalized retirement strategy. Accessing this planner is simple. Simply click the link provided, which directs you to a dedicated retirement planning platform. Within this platform, you'll discover a range of features and functionalities designed to guide you through the various aspects of retirement preparation. This includes factors like estimating future expenses, determining your savings needs, and exploring various investment options. Using this online tool can empower you to make informed decisions about your financial future. Planning for retirement is a crucial step towards ensuring a comfortable and secure future. By utilizing the provided retirement planner, you can gain valuable insights into your financial standing and create a tailored plan to achieve your retirement goals. This tool is specifically designed to address the complexities of retirement planning and help you navigate the process with confidence. Remember, proper planning is key to enjoying a stress-free retirement. So, take advantage of the available resources and start planning for your future today. Explore the comprehensive features of this retirement planner and embark on your journey toward a fulfilling retirement. Don't hesitate to explore the various options and resources available within the platform to maximize your retirement planning efforts. The planner offers a structured approach to organizing your financial information and creating a customized roadmap for your retirement journey. Utilizing such tools can significantly simplify the often overwhelming task of retirement planning. It empowers individuals to take control of their financial destinies and work towards a more secure future. So, click the link, explore the retirement planner, and take the first step towards achieving your retirement aspirations. It's never too early or too late to start planning for a comfortable and enjoyable retirement. Take charge of your future and visit the link today. Let the retirement planner be your guide to a financially secure and fulfilling retirement. Secure your financial future, start planning today.